Ma'am, around which you have drawn the box, na?
This.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain everything. Okay, now I am given a question. F of x, find f dash x when f of x is equals to x into 1 plus x. When nothing is mentioned, right? Which way you will do? F of x is equals to x into 1, x plus x into x, x square. Right? Using derivative of x raised to power n is equals to n x raised to power n minus 1. This is by formula of the derivative. Derivative of x raised to power n is equals to n x raised to power n minus 1. We can prove it with the help of first principle also. We will do it later. Okay. Now, we will be having f dash x. X means x raised to power 1. It is 1 power आगे आ गई into x पावर में से एक subtract 1 minus 1 plus x square means n is equals to 2 now. So 2 power आगे x 2 में से एक माइनस कर दिया 2 minus 1. अब इसको सॉल्व कर लो 1 into x raised to power 0. X anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. X raised to power 0 plus 2x. But x raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So the answer is 1 plus 2x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do the second method. Now the question is, so find f dash x using product rule when f of x is equals to x into 1 plus x, right? Then solution will be, you will mention the formula derivative of u into v. U is first function, v is second function. Both are functions of x. U dash into v plus u into v dash. Dash is denoting derivative. U ka derivative v as it is plus u as it is v ka derivative. So f dash x will be x, derivative of x. Derivative of x means, okay, I will write derivative of x. Okay, derivative of x into 1 plus x as it is plus u means x as it is into derivative of 1 plus x. Now f dash x is equals to derivative of x means 1 into 1 plus x as it is plus x as it is. Derivative of 1 plus x means we will take the derivative of both the terms. 1 is a constant, derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of x, again power is 1, right? Or otherwise you will keep you can keep in your mind that derivative of x is always 1, right? So we have proved just now that derivative of x is 1. So it is equals to 1 plus x plus x. It is equals to 1 plus 2x. In both the cases, the answer is 1 plus 2x. But these are the two different ways. One is the direct derivative, the other is product rule. Clear? Any student have any doubt regarding the product rule or derivative? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. We have done this question, x plus 1 upon x. Quotient rule, we haven't done. Okay. We will do it, quotient rule we will do later. First, we are going to do practice of product rule. Now, you do this question, find the derivative of x minus a into x minus b using product rule. Okay. Take your copies and start solving. Find the derivative of x minus a into x minus b using product rule. A is a constant, b is a constant. So I'm writing f of x is equals to x minus a into x minus b. Find f dash x. So derivative becomes very easy if we will practice and practice lot of questions, right? It needs practice only, but not, because you will be having first principle, then addition of derivative, subtraction of derivative, product rule and quotient rule. These concepts are there only in the chapter derivative. Okay, so you have to practice the product rule. F of x is x minus a into x minus b. You have to find f dash x. So you do it. Everyone have to take copy and pen. It is your honesty. And you have to solve these questions, okay? So are you getting the same answer? Anyone? Sagar?
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying.
Please send your screenshot in WhatsApp group. Quickly. Screenshot of the solution in WhatsApp group. Okay, right now. Anamika, you got the answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Harkirat, you are solving?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. So f dash x will be derivative of first function. We are writing d upon dx of x minus a into second function x minus b as it is, plus x minus a into derivative of x minus b. Now we will apply the derivative. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of a is 0 into x minus b plus x minus a. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of b is 0. So this is 1 into x minus b plus this is 1 into x minus a, x plus x 2x minus a minus b. So can anybody tell me what will be the second method to solve this question?
Ma'am, using the first principle.
Using the first principle will be going very complicated. Any other method? Okay, so it will be, we are having f of x is equals to x minus a into x minus b. It will be x into x minus b minus a into x minus b. It is x square minus bx minus ax minus ab, right? This is second method. So f dash x is equals to x square, derivative 2x, b is constant as it is, derivative of x is 1, minus a is constant as it is, derivative of x is 1, ab is constant, its derivative is 0, 2x minus b minus. When we have constant multiplied with any variable x or x square, right, then its derivative will be constant as it is, derivative of the only variable, right? You can also apply product rule on b into x. You will apply product rule on b into x, right? We have written it is na b into x, b into 1b. You apply product rule and check derivative of b into x plus b as it is, derivative of x. Derivative of b means derivative of constant, which is 0. 0 into x plus b, derivative of x is 1. So it return b into 1 means b, right? So you go by any way, you will be reaching the same answers. Okay. So this product rule is clear. So now this is the simplest question. Still, you need to practice. Find the derivative of x cube minus 27. Find the derivative of x cube minus 27. X cube minus 27. Find f dash x. Most of you might have done it already.
Yes, ma'am.
सागर,
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपने सॉल्यूशन का स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना है.
Ma'am,
भेजना
थोड़ा
है
difficult
मतलब
लग-
भेजना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. F of x is equals to x cube minus 27. Find f dash x. Harkirat, quickly solve it and send me the solution. Quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
So what we, x cube derivative, what it will be? हरकीरत, x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे? चलो फॉर्मूला में बता देती हूँ. x रेज टू पावर n, n x रेज टू पावर n माइनस 1. डेरिवेटिव बताओ क्या आएगा? जब हमने ये फॉर्मूला x क्यूब पे लगाया तो x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव f डैश x क्या आ गया? जल्दी से बोलो.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, हरकीरत will tell. हरकीरत बोलो.
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं.
समझ नहीं आ रहा तो पूछना कि नहीं है? Okay.
Ma'am.
X raised to power n. Language is the barrier. If I'm teaching in English, then is it difficult to understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We have, okay, this is the formula. X derivative of x raised to power n will be n. n means x की जो पावर है वो आगे आ जाएगी. जो बेस x है वो ऐसे ही रहेगा. जो n पावर है उसमें से एक माइनस कर देंगे. This is by the फॉर्मूला। ओके, इसमें आपको कुछ नहीं करना, ये फॉर्मूला ये आपने याद कर लेना है कि x की पावर n का डेरिवेटिव n x रेज टू पावर n माइनस 1 होता है। f डैश x क्या होगा? f डैश x, अब n की जगह x की पावर कितनी है? 3, n की जगह पे क्या आ गया? 3, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? 3 पावर आगे x पावर में से एक कम माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 27। जब भी हमारे पास कांस्टेंट होगा तो कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 0। तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया? 3x² एज द आंसर। समझ में आया?
मैम अगर तो ax होगा,
हाँ,
ax, a रेज टू पावर x,
a रेज टू पावर x, इसका डेरिवेटिव। गुरवासदेव यही पूछ रहे हो?
यस मैम।
ओके, सी, अब हमारे पास दो चीजें हैं, एक तो वेरिएबल की पावर कांस्टेंट, एक कांस्टेंट की पावर वेरिएबल। ठीक है, x की पावर n का डेरिवेटिव आपको पता चल गया, n x रेज टू पावर n माइनस 1 है, और a रेज टू पावर x का डेरिवेटिव होता है a रेज टू पावर x इंटू लॉग a। ये आपको +2 में प्रूव करने भी आएंगे, राइट? या फिर हम फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल की हेल्प से इनको प्रूव कर सकते हैं। अभी हम प्रूव नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट है अभी। ओके, आपके सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। बट अगर आपके पास a रेज टू पावर x आता है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव आपने फॉर्मूला याद रखना है, a रेज टू पावर x log a। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब आपको क्वेश्चन है f ऑफ x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 रेज टू पावर x, तो f डैश x क्या होगा? 3 क्या है? कांस्टेंट, कांस्टेंट की पावर क्या है? वेरिएबल, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 3 रेज टू पावर x एज इट इज log ऑफ 3, राइट? बट ये अभी
Okay,
हमने
ma'am.
ये वाली टाइप हमने अभी की नहीं है। मैं तो अभी बिल्कुल ही सिंपल करवा रही हूँ कि x की पावर n वाले क्वेश्चंस पहले कर लो, फिर हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक वाले पे और इन पे आएंगे। ठीक है, नहीं तो आप बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि ये क्या हो रहा है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कुछ।
मैम,
हाँ जी,
मैम यहाँ पे हम लोग ई बेस पे नहीं लिखेंगे?
लॉग बेस, नहीं बेस हम नहीं लिखते,
Base.
इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज बेस e। व्हेन वी आर नॉट राइटिंग देन इट इज अंडरस्टूड द बेस इज e।
ओके मैम।
ओके, आप यही पूछ रहे हो ना कि बेस e है, हम लिखे या ना लिखे?
यस मैम।
तो हम नहीं लिखते, जनरली हम नहीं लिखते। अगर हम नहीं लिखते तो इसका मतलब बेस e है, और अगर e के अलावा कोई और बेस होता तो हम मेंशन करते हैं। ओके, अगर लॉग बेस b होगा तो हम मेंशन करेंगे कि ये लॉग बेस b ऑफ a है, और अगर अकेला a है इसका मतलब it is understood that log base e है, then it will not be mentioned in the books anywhere, the base. Got it?
यस मैम।
Okay, so now this type we have already done. Now 1 upon x square, जब ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है 1 upon x square, इसको करने के दो तरीके हैं। इस पे एक तो फॉर्मूला लग जाएगा, या इस पे कोशेंट रूल लगा लो। कोशेंट रूल हम तब लगाएंगे जब हम कोशेंट रूल करेंगे, अभी हम इस पे फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे। इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? x की पावर -2 लिख सकते हैं। f of x is equal to x square, we can write it x raised to power -2. Then f dash x. Now Komal, you tell me what will be the answer and how. F of x, we will apply the same formula, derivative of x raised to power n
Yes, ma'am.
is equals to n x raised to power n minus 1. तो क्या आ जाएगा?
Ma'am, it will be minus 2x raised to power minus 3.
Yes, so it will be minus 2 into x raised to power minus 3. अब ये भी आंसर है, या फिर इसको माइनस 2 बाई एक्स क्यूब लिख दो, ये भी आंसर है. ठीक है, दिस इज द आंसर. अब इस पे हम क्वेश्चन रूल भी लगा सकते हैं. 1 को न्यूमरेटर ले लो, एक्स स्क्वायर को डिनोमिनेटर ले लो. ठीक है, ये वो आप तब लगा के ट्राई करना जब हम क्वेश्चन रूल कर लेंगे. तो ये समझ में, ये क्लियर है? ये कैसे किया है? द सेम वे क्वेश्चन कैन बी f of x is equals to 1 by x. Find f dash x. तो इसको भी आप ऐसे ही करोगे, x raised to power minus 1 लिख लिया, f dash x minus 1, x raised to power minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, x raised to power minus 2. It is minus 1 upon x square as the answer. अगर आपने सिर्फ समझा ना, और डेली ऐसे ही है कि हम तो क्लास में समझ रहे हैं, फिर आपको कभी भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि क्लास ऑफ होते ही आप उसको चीजों को भूल जाओगे. बट अगर आपको आधा समझ में भी आया ना, और आपने प्रैक्टिस कर ली, बुक खोल के एग्जांपल्स देख ली, एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस कर ली, तो वो आपकी विद प्रैक्टिस जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो डबल हो जाएगी. So that is why it is very important to practice the questions. At least read the examples after the class. Okay. Now we are going to do quotient rule. Okay. X plus 1 upon x minus 1. But before that, we had one more question. This. X plus 1 upon x. Find the derivative. We will apply quotient rule, which is derivative of u upon v is equal to. Now, who will tell me the quotient rule? Who will tell me the quotient rule? Formula v square.
मैम ऊपर आएगा v du upon dx माइनस u आ जाएगा dv upon dx.
Very good, very good. So it is v as it is. This is very important in the quotient rule, that the denominator term first v will as it is into du upon dx minus u as it is dv upon dx upon v square. Now we have to find derivative of x plus 1 upon x. So we will apply the quotient rule. Denominator square x square, right? Now denominator term as it is, v as it is, so we are writing x as it is into derivative of x plus 1 minus u as it is, u means x plus 1 as it is, into derivative of v means x. We have done nothing new. We just know the formula and we have applied it. And now it is x into derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, minus x plus 1. Derivative of x is 1 upon x square. Solve it. X into 1x minus x plus 1 into 1 x plus 1, but minus is there, it will return minus x minus 1 upon x square. It will return minus 1 upon x square as the answer. Okay. So you just read the solution once again. We have applied the formula quotient rule, right? The term in the